Hi friends, this is the Apsc's syllabus for the post of Junior Manager Electrical in Apgcl, advertised number 12 2023, dated 25 April 2023. Paper 1 Electrical Engineering. This is based on multiple choice question type, diploma course standard. Full marks 100, time 2 hours. The topics are basic electrical engineering, laws of electricity, Ohm's law, Kirchhoff's law, Faraday's law, left-hand rule, Thevenin's and Norton's theorems, maximum power transfer theorem, EMF network analysis, loop and node analysis, voltage source, current source, resistance, inductance, capacitance, impedance, and reactance, magnetic circuits, MMF, flux, reluctance, susceptance, electromagnetic induction, eddy currents, basics of transformer, generator, and motor. Electrical measuring instruments, PMMC and MI meters, watt meter and energy meter, basics of electronics, semiconductors, diodes, and rectifiers. Under electrical circuits, phasors and phasor algebra, balanced and unbalanced polyphase circuit, test signals, delta transformation, network theorems, parameters of electromagnetic circuits, resonance in RLC series and parallel circuits, network analysis by mesh and node methods. Under electrical engineering materials, conducting insulating materials and magnetic materials, properties and applications. Under electrical instruments and measurements, principles of measurements, classification, accuracy and sensitivity, damping and control forces, shunt and multiplier, measurement of resistance, low, medium and high, principle and uses of DC potentiometers, AC bridges, indicating instruments, multimeter, PF meters, synchronoscope. Under electrical machines, classification of DC machines, constructional features, EMF, torque, excitations, motor performance, speed, power, size, considerations, speed control, efficiency. Under transformers, induced EMF equivalent circuits, regulation, different efficiencies, three-phase induction machines, torque characteristics, starting equivalent circuits, three-phase synchronous machines, generation voltage regulation, parallel operation, synchronous motor, starting and V curves, single-phase motors, type starting characteristics. Generation, transmission and distribution. Generation, thermal, hydel and nuclear power stations, prime movers and alternators. Under transmission voltage levels, line conductors, electrical line parameters of short and medium lines, voltage regulation, corona, distribution, DC and AC systems, voltage level, types of distribution, feeders and distributors, voltage drop and effects, power factor improvement plant. Under substation, different types, site selection, equipments, electrical earthing, switch gear, switches, isolators, circuit breakers and their types, protection for current and protective devices, fuses, relay functions, alternator, transformer, protection, thermal relays, over voltage causes, effect and protective devices. Under electrical estimation and costing, estimation of materials for industrial and residential installations, UPS and small diesel generating set and accessories, cost estimation of materials and selection criteria, design and calculation of the cost of 400 V or 230 V three-phase or 4-wire, 100 to 500 kW overhead line tenders. Under electrical power utilization, design of lighting system, electrical heating, resistance heating, induction heating, arc heating and dielectric heating, types of electric welding, electrochemical process, principles, equipment and procedure, electrical drivers, characteristics of various electric drives, speed control, starting and braking, mechanical consideration, Selection of motors. Under power electronics, power diodes and Darlington pair. Thyristor principle, Thyristor family, firing, circuits applications, selenium rectifiers, uncontrolled and control rectification, power MOSFETs. Under digital electronics, digital signals, gates, Boolean, algebra, logic families, multiplexers, demultiplexer, encoders or decoders, flip flops, registers, counters, and applications of logic gates, OPAMPS in timing circuits, AD or DA conversion. Under computer programming, concept of low level and high level languages, block diagram, concept of flowchart and algorithm, assemblers, macros, subroutines, coroutines, loaders, linkers, editors, and compilers, programming and file handling in C and C++. In paper 2, general studies, this is also based on multiple choice question. Full marks is 100 and time is 2 hours. The subject are in general English, topics like sentence completion, sentence improvement, ordering of words in a sentence, spotting errors, synonyms and antonyms, idioms and phrases, fill in the blanks, word groups, etc. Number of questions are 25 and marks 25. Under general aptitude and emotional intelligence, time and distance, series, analogy, statement, direction, verbal and non-verbal reasoning, etc. Understanding emotional intelligence, personality and EQ, the ability model of EI, the trait model of EI, the mixed model of emotional intelligence, the bar on model of emotional social intelligence, and the genus model. Criticism of the theoretical foundation and measures of assessment of emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence, personality disorders, and individuals on the autism spectrum, EQ, and personal relationships. Emotional intelligence in the workplace, improving your emotional intelligence. And general knowledge, topics like current affairs, national and international, who's who, sports, books and authors, awards and honors, science, inventions and discoveries, abbreviations, important days. Number of questions in the general attitude and emotional intelligence 50 and marks 50, and under general knowledge 25 questions and marks 25.